Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how to activate your Canva affiliate link and monetize your design influence effectively. If you're passionate about design and want to earn some income by sharing your knowledge and tools with others, the Canva affiliate program is a perfect fit for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of activating your affiliate link. Step 1. Sign up for the Canva affiliate program. To get started, visit the Canva website and scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate link under the company section. Click on it and you will be redirected to the Canva affiliate program page. Here you can find all the necessary information about the program and how it works. Click on the Join Now button to begin your application process. Step 2. Create or log into your Canva account. If you already have a Canva account, simply log in. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. This is necessary because your affiliate link will be tied to your Canva profile. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Step 3. Apply for the affiliate program. Once you are logged in, fill out the application form for the Canva affiliate program. Provide all the required information, including your name, email address, and details about your online presence, such as your website, blog, or social media accounts. Make sure to explain how you plan to promote Canva to increase your chances of approval. Step 4. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for Canva's review process. This can take a few days. You'll receive an email notification once your application is approved. If approved, you will receive your unique affiliate link. Step 5. Access your affiliate dashboard. Once you are part of the program, log into your affiliate dashboard. Here you will find your affiliate link, promotional materials, and performance metrics. Make sure to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available to you. Step 6. Promote your affiliate link. Now it's time to start promoting your affiliate link. Share it on your blog, social media platforms, or YouTube videos. Create content that demonstrates Canva's features, such as tutorials, design tips, or project showcases. Engaging and informative content will encourage your audience to click on your link. Step 7. Track your performance. Keep an eye on your affiliate dashboard to track how your promotions are performing. Look for trends in clicks, conversions, and commissions. This will help you understand what kind of content works best for your audience. Step 8. Optimize your strategy. Based on your performance data, continuously optimize your promotional strategy. Experiment with different content formats, posting frequencies, and marketing channels to see what resonates most with your audience. Remember, your success as a Canva affiliate depends on your ability to engage and provide value to your audience. Stay creative and authentic in your approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.